The nuts float on a bed of air. Heavier stones sink and are ejected. The raw nuts are purified.
The hot nuts exit the roaster. They hit a cooling belt. Cold air stops the process instantly. The nuts pass between soft rubber rollers. The red skins are rubbed off gently. The nuts are now split and white.
The mixture goes through a second, finer grinder. The friction heats it up to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. It turns into a hot... The nuts fall into the primary grinder. They are crushed into a coarse meal. It looks like wet sand. The oils begin to release.
The coarse peanut meal enters a mixing tank. Salt, sugar, and stabilizer oil are added.
A side stream of chopped roasted peanuts is mixed into the smooth base. The texture changes. Chunks float in the stream on the conveyor belt line. The hot peanut butter is pumped through a cooling machine. It drops from 170 to 120 degrees. The jars pass under the filler. A piston shoots the exact weight of warm peanut butter into the jar. It swirls as it fills. No drip.
A puff of nitrogen gas is shot into the headspace of the jar. This removes oxygen to keep the creamy spread fresh. Plastic lids are screwed on tight by spinning rubber wheels. The jars are closed. The classic look of the peanut butter jar is complete.
Measuring how thick the spread is. A metal ball drops into the butter. Science ensures the creamy spread is spreadable.
Workers dump sacks of sugar into a hopper. These are the ingredients for the peanut butter. The recipe requires balance.
Protein bar line. Peanut butter paste mixed with oats, making protein bars. Another use for the stainless steel grinder output in the processing facility. Rejected nuts turned into bird feed blocks. Nothing wasted in the roasting plant. Even imperfect raw nuts have a use.
Rejected nuts turned into bird feed blocks. Nothing wasted in the roasting plant. Even imperfect raw nuts have a use.
Aflatoxin test. Lab test checking for mold toxins. Food safety is critical for raw nuts, ensuring safe peanut butter in the food factory.
It feels good knowing this goes all over the country. We do good work here.
We really do.
Look at how much there is. It's endless. Wow, that is so much peanut butter. I want to swim in it. Wow, yogurt too. Thank you, Mommy.
You're very welcome, sweetie. Have a great day.
Grown with pride, the source of the roasting plant and supply of raw nuts. All in the heavy stuff, the logistics of raw nuts moving to the food factory.
Scanning the barcode. Selling the peanut butter. The financial end of the roasting plant process.
Here's your creamy spread. Enjoy your day.
Thank you, you too.
Jar sits next to cereal, a staple food. Peanut butter is essential, a piece of the food factory in the home.
We add a scoop of high-quality protein, and for a healthy fat source, some rich peanut butter.
Smooth texture, perfectly smooth butter, creamy lover, the food factory standard, pure creamy spread.
Giant tub, bulk size, 5-pound tub for restaurants. Industrial size creamy spread. Processing facility, large scale output.
Check out the new squeezable pouch from Roasting Plant. Innovation you can taste.
Stirring natural peanut butter at home can be a real struggle. That's why we love the perfectly creamy spread mixed right here in our processing facility.
Celery, peanut butter, raisins. Classic snack, using peanut butter from the food factory.
The gene editing was completely successful. We've eliminated the allergens.
And the factory is running at full capacity. This changes everything.
Energy efficiency, new lighting in the plant, saving power, sustainable peanut butter, green food factory.
Thank you so much. This creamy spread will help so many families.
We are happy to help out the community.
Welcome to the roasting plant. Get the freshest peanut butter right here, right now. Cracking shell. The origin of peanut butter before the food factory.